Hi, I'm going to give you a brief about the dashboard. Dashboard is the central place where you land after logging in, and this is the place where all of the information regarding your UroPay account will be shown. It's kept very simple. I have kept it very simple, but let's go around exploring it. Let's start from the top. On the top left, we have the hamburger icon, and clicking on this will collapse the side menu or make the side menu as broad as possible. On the right side, we have three buttons. First one is for the light mode or the dark mode, whichever mode you prefer. I prefer the dark mode. Then you can switch to test mode and all of the data will change. Or you can switch back to the live mode and see what all information is coming in from the production app or the live website which you have. And of course, there is a logout button there. Starting, we have four cards here. On the top left, we have the total orders card, which will show the successful orders. On the right, we have the total amount processed card. Now, this amount processed will be coming in from your UroPay application, which is installed on your device. If you don't have a UroPay application installed, then this amount will always be zero because the UPI credit SMSs will not be sent to the server and the transaction data cannot be extracted. Then on the right, we have the number of allowed devices. In this plan, we have unlimited devices. That's why it is written as unlimited. Based on your plan, it will show the number of devices allowed. And then, of course, we have the plan name that this is the plan which you have selected. This will be free, growth, or unlimited. Coming down, we have payment button section where you can generate a new payment button or you can see the existing payment button and go through the tutorial videos on this. Then we have the tab which is for payment links. And same like payment buttons, you can go through the link tutorial here. On the right side, we have successful orders and only created orders, meaning that successful orders are those who have been completed, or if you don't have the app installed, then they might be in the updated state, but mostly it will be in completed state, meaning that the order has been completed, UPI reference number has been submitted by the customer. Then we have only created order, meaning that these orders were generated by the system when the customer was trying to pay but did not pay. So this is for reference purposes only. Clicking on the action eye icon, you can see the details here that we have all of these details listed here. Whatever notes you have will be shown here. The UroPay order ID, your own merchant order ID, these will be used by the system to differentiate between you and other merchants, and when what is created and updated and what is the status. Coming down, we have the devices list. And I have one device added to my system, so you will see the name of the device. You can remove the device, of course, and what is the environment it has been set. It can be set as the test environment or it can be set as the live environment. One thing to note here is that the app will decide whether the transaction is in test or live mode. And you can download the app from here and you can add a new device, meaning you can install another UroPay app on another device by associating this six-digit PIN or the association code, which is to be entered in the device association screen that you will see when you have installed the device. There will be more videos on this later on. And then you have to click the verify device. Coming down, we have the webhook Here, and the webhook also has a tutorial on adding it. This webhook is nothing but a script which is called by UroPay system, and it will send the data to your website, your server, your script with certain transaction data so that you can do your processing at your end. And this is mostly to be done by the developer. Then we have the plan section where you can see that there are three plans here: free plan, growth plan, unlimited plan. My plan is currently unlimited, so this has been selected here. Then we have the API key section where you can generate your API key and secret. This is again has to be done by a developer. You don't need to do anything about it. And then we have the developer docs and another download apps link. So that's it about the dashboard. If you have any questions, you can directly contact me through this WhatsApp icon here, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you.